Hello, we are on the stand of Dragon Oil Company, Turkmenistan, and with us now Mr. Mana. Mr. Mana, thank you very much that you find the time for our readers of our portal, and my congratulations with the participation on Oil and Gas Expo exhibition in Turkmenistan. Could you tell us briefly about your activity? I know that you appointed on this position just recently, and what is your expectation, what is your reflection of business in Turkmenistan?
Sure. Thank you very much for this interview. As you know, Dragon Oil has started operation in Turkmenistan since 2000 with the help of the government of Turkmenistan and the collaboration of Turkmennibet. Our production have developed from 3,000 to 100,000. Today our production is around 80 to 75,000. We have spent around $6.5 billion in Turkmenistan, 5.4 billion spent in capex, and almost 1.3 billion is spent in opex. We are planning to extend our PSA for the coming 10 years, and this expansion will come basically by spending another $2.5 billion in capex and opex. We are focusing in this extension of PSA to maintain production around 80,000 barrels. A lot of investment will go into the production, like gas injection, water injection, integrity of the field, integrity of the wells, and so forth. We are happy with the support that's been given to us by the government of Turkmenistan. We also participate in CSR. We've spent around 40 million from 2009 till date. We have participated in the Asian Games. We've spent around $14 million. We are spending a lot of help to the nationals in terms of health. We also develop and train Turkmen nationals. Our operation have around 2,190 employees. 93% of them are Turkmen nationals. We also send our Turkmen nationals scholarships abroad to study and develop their skills in oil and gas. Thank you very much.
Mr. Mana, thank you for your interview. I just interesting with the ecological issues. So in terms of environment, and what about associated gas, for example? Do you attend some projects in terms of the environment?
Our plan is to reduce our gas flaring. This is one of the main objectives that Dragon Oil is looking after. We also providing gas to Hazar town. So basically we are focusing in that area. We are working hand to hand with the Environment Association Environment in Turkmenistan to help in improving the environment. So we are participating. Dragon Oil is participating very well in this terms of keeping the environment clean.
That is a great idea, and I know that your company also put a lot of attention to the developing of the civil society, non-profit organizations, for example. And will you continue your plans to support the social needs in Turkmenistan, especially in contract area as well?
Sure. Part of our objectives is to help the environment around Dragon Oil. and we have a very big projects in CSR. We have people who are looking after the projects in CSR and putting a proper plan for it. I'm sure you're aware about our contributions to the schools, to the medicine. Exactly. We have built a new polyclinic in Hazar
Yeah, I heard about it.
for the people. So Dragon Oil is one of the main objectives is to provide a lot of support to the society.
I see it's a very, very good idea and it's very good aim of work. And we, from our side and behalf, and from me personally, we wish you good luck, success, and more new projects in Turkmenistan. Thank you so much for your time also.
Inshallah. Thank you for this interview, and I really thank His Excellency the President of Turkmenistan for giving Dragon Oil the chance to operate in Turkmenistan. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.